Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to add funds to your child account or your sub account on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and add funds to your sub account or child account on your PlayStation 4, this is very easy to do. Let's go up to the top to settings and then select account management right here. Then go to account information. You may have to sign in with your email address and password once again, so be prepared for that. Now, once this loads, go on down to wallet and select this. Now under here, go to add funds to your wallet. Now you can choose between your credit card, your debit card, PayPal, or you can redeem a prepaid voucher with a gift card, etc. So go ahead and select whatever one you want. Then select the funds. So I have an option from $5 all the way to fill wallet. $240 apparently is the maximum. Now let's go ahead and back out of here. And I can also see the current wallet funds. I have $10 in my wallet. So once we have the funds added to our account, and we have to do this on our parent account, our master account, and then share it to our sub account or our child account. So it's all going to be one collective fund. So now we have to back out here and go to the main settings menu and then go to parental controls / family management. Now under here, go to family management. Then scroll on down to the account you want to go ahead and select for adding funds to. So I have two different accounts on here that I already added as family members. You have the option right here if you want to go ahead and add a child account. So I'm going to choose PlayStation user and just go to this account. Then scroll on down under here until we get to applications / devices, network features, parental controls right here, right in the middle. Now under here, let's scroll on down until we get to monthly spending limit. This says limit the total amount your family members can spend on content in a calendar month. Regardless of this setting, funds can be added to the wallet only by the family manager. Now whatever we select as the monthly limit on here will be amount they can draw from the combined fund between the master account and all the other sub accounts. So if you have $60 total and you want to go ahead and use $60, well, you're going to have to set the funds a little bit larger than the $60. So if I have $100 on here, this account can only spend $100 from the master account fund. So it's all combined. So whatever you add, you're going to have to set the monthly spending limit to. So go ahead and figure out whatever you want. Then select X and apply that setting. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.